All right, back at the thrift store. Wait a minute. Back at the thrift store looking for items to flip online for a profit, and the best part is my lovely wife has decided to join us today. So that just means she's going to show us up. Let's get in here and see what we can find. Oh, sorry about that. Future editing me here. You know how they always say save the best for last? Well, this first thrift stop was by far our best of the day. So we're going to fast forward a little bit. We'll come back to this thrift stop. Make sure you stay tuned because we found some really crazy stuff. All right, so we are on the way to the Salvation Army, and I just had a thought.
Scary.
So you know how like when you go to Walmart or somewhere during the holiday season, there's always like a Salvation Army person out there ringing the bell asking for donations?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen one of those people in front of an actual Salvation Army? Like, why wouldn't you have a Salvation Army employee standing out in front of the Salvation Army for you to donate to the Salvation Army? I don't get it.
We'll find out when we get there.
I've never seen it. Can you explain why?
I'll ask her for you.
No, you won't.
You want me to?
You should. All right, see, there's not a single person out here. This time I could be standing like right there, ringing the bell, getting donations from the grocery store that's next door, the restaurants.
Well, they
I don't understand. Still. So I'm not going to get this, but I think it's pretty cool. Ministry of Defense, Iraqi Armed Forces. I did look it up. There's several for sale for like 45, 50 bucks. Unfortunately, though, only 2 have sold, so I'm not going to pick it up. Walking out of the Salvation Army empty-handed, and you didn't ask the guy about the bell ringing thing.
There was a line.
There was, in her defense, there was a very, very long line.
I was going to ask him if we would have checked out, and no one would have been up there.
Yeah, so if the store was empty, you would have asked him.
Definitely.
Okay.
I would have called somebody in the back and asked them probably.
I got you. Oh well. But we're walking out empty-handed with no information. It's a bust. This is kind of cool. Just found this book set, The Secret of the Hidden Scrolls Complete Series. Scan the barcode, and there were 2 listed pre-owned, and 5 have sold. $39, $39, $39.99, $30, $40, and the cheapest one pre-owned listed is kind of crazy because I'll show you if I can get to it. Dun, 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 dun. Gotta play music. 70 and 72. So I think I'm gonna do pretty good on that. Should sell pretty quick. I want $2.99.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, now show me what you got, for real. Snail flower pot, $5. Personal use, obviously. I found The Secret of the Hidden Scrolls. Complete set. How much you think that's worth?
It's probably a secret. I have no idea.
Alright, so I did a video a while back on how to figure out what stuff is worth picking up, worth looking out for. And this is one of those weird things that I discovered myself. This is a glitter confetti Turvis tumbler. Never found one before, never seen one in real life. They want $2 for it. I'm gonna get it. I'll throw some comps on the screen. It's definitely vintage Turvis tumbler. Pretty cool. Hey babe, I got you a snail flower pot for your Christmas.
I like it.
Okay, I'm glad. That's your Christmas present.
You put me something in there like planted?
I'll plant you a sunflower. How about that? Obviously, I'm not very good at plants. All right, got the glitter Turvis tumbler thingy. I think I can get 20, 25 bucks for it. Check out the comps on some of these things. They're kind of crazy. And then the book said, I forget even what it was called, but $2.99 and the $30. Not too bad. Babe, we got nothing.
I know.
Hey, we got one more Goodwill to go. It's also another one with a boutique. So hopefully we can find some good stuff. I How much have you found today?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
I want to find some lunch.
Some lunch? What? We're working. We don't have time to eat. So Kayla did in fact get some lunch, and then from there we went to another Goodwill where unfortunately we didn't find anything. So let's kind of start this video over from the beginning where we first started at the first Goodwill where we actually found some pretty amazing stuff. All right, looking through the hard goods here, and I think I found something that I'm gonna get. They want $4.99 for this Radio Shack Golden Arrow buggy. It's definitely vintage. Looked it up. There's 11 listed and 30 something have sold. And check out the comps. Last one sold for $129. Don't know whether it works or not, but even like broken ones are selling for decent money. Like even 38s, I give them the money back. 119 comps are definitely worth it. So we're gonna grab that for $4.99. Found something else right next to the RC car. $6.99 for a pair of Bose double cube speakers. It's probably a good deal. Same thing here. So 2 pair, $6.99 a pair. That's pretty good. I'll show you some comps. I've got a mess in this place. That's neat. Like a golf training tool. Always look up golf training tools. I'm going to scan the barcode. They either want 99 cents or $1.99. We'll see. So I got this thing, right? It's a Tour Striker golf tutorial, instructional, I don't know, some kind of golf training aid, right? How much do you think it's worth?
35.
35. So there is one listed in new condition like this for 80 bucks. The last one that sold for 99. There's 5 sold anywhere from 50 to 99. So for either 99 cents or $1.99, that's a win, don't you think?
Yes.
I could be Marcus Lemonis for Halloween. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's always make a second trip around the store just in case I miss anything, and apparently I did. This is some kind of Bose something. They only want $4.99 for it. Let's look it up. So the YouTube copyright police got me on this one on the music that was playing in the background. I don't know why they keep the music at this thrift store so loud. It's like they keep it on 11 for some reason.
Oh,
11,
and most of
11,
the
and then
amps go up to 10.
Exactly.
Does that mean it's louder? Is it any louder?
Well, it's one louder, isn't it?
But this was some kind of Bose display. It had a really good sell-through rate, and comps were looking like it was going to sell in the $50 to $60 range. So for $4.99, I picked it up. Yo, so that was a pretty good stop. Did you see everything that I got?
I did, I think so.
So I got 2 sets of Bose speakers, $6.99 a pair. Looks like the pair should sell for 30 or 40. A little Bose display that should sell for 50 or 60. The golf training aid, which is kind of mind-blowing, but yeah, it should sell for 70, 80 bucks. And then the remote control car that I paid $4.99 for, I'm thinking I can get 150 bucks for it.
Wow, is everything there?
Everything's there. I opened it up, made sure everything was there, and it's in pretty good condition too to be as old as it is. So, awesome stop. We're gonna go walk in the boutique in just a second. So we did go back into the boutique and only picked up 2 things. I got 2 of these new with tags Johnson Motors t-shirts. I think they're actually made by Lucky Brand, but there's something to be on the lookout for. I actually sold one of them already for $46.99. I think I paid $9.99 a piece for them. But it's actually been about a week or a little over a week since we went on this thrift trip. And the exciting news is that I've already sold the Radio Shack buggy. I think it was actually from 1988. It's really cool. Didn't have a way to test it because the battery was messed up. But either way, I sold it untested for parts for $149 in less than a week. Definitely an exciting find for $5. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.